Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the first application of square of binomial, how to evaluate numbers without by regular multiplication, only by using algebraic identity, that is polynomial identities. Evaluate the value of 104, 104 the whole square. You can write this 104 as 100 plus 4 the whole square. So this is similar to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again write the same empty bracket method. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? Here a is 100 and a 2ab and b is 4 and here it is 4. Clear? Now what is 100 square? 100 square is, and if you square multiples of 10, the number of zeros doubles, correct? Now 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 100 plus 800 and 4 square plus 16. On the whole, what is the total? All are positive signs, so 0, 0 plus 6, 1 plus 00, 1, 8 plus 0, 8 and 0, 1. 10,816. A simple example for application of square of binomial with the middle sign is plus, that is using the identity a plus b whole square. So rewrite this 104 as 100 plus 4 the whole square and write the empty bracket, substitute the values of a and b and then evaluate. Okay, this is an example for based on first identity and based on second identity. 399 whole square. You can rewrite this as 400 minus 1 the whole square. Clear? 400 minus 1 the whole square. Again write the empty bracket method. So what is the empty bracket method? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? This is a and this is b, correct? So a is 400 and 2ab and b square. Okay. Here first and third terms are positive and second term is negative. So 4 square is 16 and 00 becomes 4 plus 1 square is 1 and minus positive number, negative number, 2 into 400, 800. No need to write the number there. So write that number in the same column of positive. So what is the value now? 16 0001 minus 800 minus 800. So what is the value? 1 minus 0 1, 10 minus 0 and this is sorry 0 by minus 0, this is 2 and this is 9 and this is 5. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 8 and 9 and this is 5 and this is, so 159201. So very important, rewrite this 399 as 400 minus 1 and apply the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? And then write the positive number in one column and negative in the other column and substitute this. So this type of problem you can avoid unnecessary calculations. Okay, so always use this simple technique to get the correct answer with minimum time. So you can practice similar sums whether the number is with plus sign or minus sign to get full mark in section B or section A. Thank you.